Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's task is to troubleshoot the haproxy service, fix the configuration, and make sure the website is accessible again. Let's dive in. First, I'll SSH into the load balance server using the credentials provided. Once I'm in, I'm going to immediately switch to the root user using sudo -i. This ensures I have full permissions to manage system services and edit configuration files. Let's do a quick check on the service status. It's inactive. I'll try to force a start and then check the status again. Okay, it failed to start. This means there is likely a configuration error stopping the service from launching. To find out exactly why it failed, I need to check the logs. I'll use journalctl to examine the unit's logs. I think this it is. It says balance only support round robin. It seems round is unknown. It looks like a typo. The algorithm should usually be round robin, not just round. Now that we know the issue, let's fix it. I'll open the configuration file. I'll scroll down to the backend section, and yep, there is the typo. I'll change balance round to balance round robin. That looks correct. Now, save and exit the file. Let's restart the service. Now, the moment of truth. Check the status. Perfect, it's active and running. I'll also make sure to enable the service so it starts automatically if the server reboots. The service is up, but we need to ensure the application is actually reachable. I'll click the static app button. The website loads successfully. I'll hit check to confirm the task. And we are done. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 2 tasks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.